Delicious Caribbean style fried dumplings. This is a staple recipe that everyone needs to learn how to make. So I'm starting off by sieving some plain flour into a bowl. I also add some baking powder, some salt, some brown sugar and some butter. Now use a spoon to mix this mixture all together. You can also use your hands if you really want to get in there. Now I start to add in a bit of water, and here I'm just using my hands to mix it all together, adding a bit of flour, adding a bit of water, playing with the measurements until I get the sort of texture that I'm after. Now once you've mixed this for some time, it will start to form into a dough and the sort of texture that you see here. And now you can see that I'm just kneading the dough. I then cover this and allow it to sit to the side for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to start rolling together our dumplings. So I find it a lot easier to roll dumplings if I've got a little bit of flour on my hands. So this recipe and these ingredients and measurements will allow you to get about 7 to 8 dumplings. So once I've rolled them into balls, I then just flatten them a bit, which is what you see me doing here. Now the final step is just to fry our dumplings. So I semi-shallow fry them on a medium to hot temperature for about 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. You can also choose to fully deep fry these dumplings, but I use a tiny bit less oil just to make it a tiny bit less unhealthy. Once you're done, you get this delicious fried dumpling. It's crispy on the outside, but soft and doughy on the inside. Eat this with ackee and saltfish or callaloo or whatever you want. It really goes well with so many dishes. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.